Hey ladies, Livv Younique is now presenting to you our own version Brazilian wig and bundle line. Stay tuned. Here is our Yaky straight, our deep wave. This is the one I'm wearing right now. I love this one. And our kinky curly. All of our wigs are version Brazilian human hair wigs, and they're available right now. You can call or DM me. My info is in the bio. And here are our silky wig bags. And our bundles, we have our kinky curly, our deep wave, and our mink straight. All available right now. And we have more. This is our natural textured Yaky. And it comes with a closure. We have 4x4, we have 5x5 closures. This is our body wave, and that comes with closures as well. What a beautiful selection. So if you are interested, go ahead and DM me. My information is in the bio if you want to call me, make an appointment. I am here for you. So order your lace and bundles from Livv Younique. Bye.